Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last video we have performed update operation using server action. In this video we are going to learn how to delete record from MySQL using server action and how to use form status and use form state hook also for giving information from the server side to client side. So for that, the last operation of this, go to our code. Once again, I just copy this. Remember, I need to copy this all else operation, update one, and after that I have to paste it and I have to check it. It should be delete operation. Remember, and for delete operation, I don't need all this. I need only SID. So I'm checking SID only. And for delete operation, I say delete from student, where SID equal to this. So I have to pass only SID here. Save this. So delete from student where SID equal to this, so that we are going to perform. If row affected, then we say record deleted or not deleted, or here if you are not putting any field, so you can say SID student ID cannot be empty, like this. So record not deleted, record deleted, everything we have done. Now I have to create one more button here. For that I just copy this and create one more button, and this button name is delete. So I say delete button, here I say deleting, and here I say delete, like this. Save this. So one more button we have, delete button, same name but value is different. Try to see. Yeah, once again we have delete button, update we have. Now if I want to delete any record, everything is okay. So I want to delete 13 number of record. So I say here, so first of all I refresh it because I don't want the other value. Now I say here 13, remember. So if I say 13 and click on delete button, then you see delete record will perform, record deleted, and you see 13 is gone. If I say 18, remember 18 is there. If I click delete and again record deleted, so 18 is gone. If I want to delete 1, if I say 1 and I say delete, you see just in a second delete is gone, 1 is gone. And if I don't pass any ID, then it will say student ID cannot be empty. Again and again the page is refreshing because it is a server side rendering. Remember that we have to refresh the page also because you are running it from client side. So you see each and everything I'm doing, it's a wonderfully executing, and it's very fast also because it's server side rendering. It's fast as compared to client side rendering, and everything you see we are performing. We have a message also, we have confirmation that we are inserting, deleting or updating a record, and display in front of you, everything is display. So you see that we have performed delete operation also by using server action in Next.js 14 or above version. It is latest one. Without using any REST API, without creating any REST API, we have performed all the operation of this. So I have completed this one also. So if you like it, please do subscribe. If you have any query, please also comment. Thank you for watching this video.